good afternoon. Well, this is a bit of a result. This morning it was absolutely chucking down, and I didn't think I'd be able to get out at all. Anyway, it stopped raining, the sun has come out and it's absolutely baking. Humid as well, so forgive the sweat. So I've managed to come to a place and which I've been meaning to come to for a long time, and I've also I got permission to fly the drone, which is awesome. So I've got some drone footage already, so let's take you to where I am at the moment. You can probably hear some music in the background that might give you a clue. Think Buddhist, think sort of temple-y. I think this is called Naga. Forgot now. Anyway, some sort of serpent. I will put the name of it in the description. Just going to hide underneath the shade for a little bit because it's baking, and then I'm going to turn you around so you can see where I am. Quite an impressive looking serpent. Have a look at this. Right, well, what do you think of that? I have got the name of it somewhere. I have been here many times, but the first time that it's going to be featured in a YouTube video, on my channel anyway. So I'm hoping that you will enjoy this little recce out. Let's get up the stairs and take you towards this little beastie. I watched it actually being built. It's not far from where I live, so it's set in some nice hills and jungle, so very impressive. Let's give you a bit of a pan around so you can see what's what. So you can see that lot, all that cloud came over this morning. Now we've got bits of blue sky, and when that cloud breaks, it's hot, very hot. Okay, let's take a bit more of a nose. are all of the gifts you can buy them, and they put them up here as like make merit, etc. And then when about half an hour later they will take them down. Sorry. And they will put them back up for sale. Does make me laugh, but they are pretty. If I bought one, I'd probably take one home. Yeah, here comes the lady to take them all away again. So, yeah, I don't know why. I know they take some time to be made, but basically you pay 20 baht, 50 baht, 100 baht, whatever it is for one of these offerings. Put it up here, and then about half an hour later, when they probably think you've gone home, they're taken away and sold again. It's very bright here at the moment, but let's try and give you as much footage. There's quite a bit of drone footage that I have, so yeah, you will obviously see more from the drone. Hopefully some very good shots with the it rained, so everything is green. Like if you look at the back, the trees, the grass, everything has gone green again literally in about 2 days. Over there is immigration, where I've got to go tomorrow, so not looking forward to that, but yeah, a big Boshin thingy-majiggy. I don't know if you can hit it or not. Not as nice as the rest. Okay, let's have a walk through. But it's all made. It was made out of concrete and obviously reinforcing, and they've painted it. And I'm not sure. Let's take you over to the scales. In the scales, people put, you can see, they put coins in. Normally just satang, 1 or 2 baht, as like an offering. I suppose someone comes along and they put these little red pieces of cloth in as I don't know what it is. This to maybe wash away the bad spirits, but yeah, it's very impressive. Try to get the sun's just coming up the top there. Don't know if that will show everything. But obviously places like this obviously money making, it makes money for the temple and everything else, so yeah, it's impressive. And it's all in one long continuous piece. There's no sort of breaks. It's not like a trick of the eye, so you see like where it goes and comes down and etc. And the colours are beautiful. A big old structure for sure. Let's go to the other side and out the sun. I mean, size-wise, if you look at the sort of proportion of each of the scales to the length, it's absolutely incredible how they did it. It's all done by hand, obviously. So, yeah, pretty impressive. Worth a visit. If you come to Chaeng, you must pay this place a visit. Obviously, weekends, holiday time, it is rammed. So try to avoid holiday times and weekends, especially Buddhist holidays like Makabucha and all the other holidays. this is where they sell all the decorations you can give as a donation, sort of starting at 59 baht up to 300 baht for the large. On the back, as you can see, the large green one's 999 baht. I would take that home. They are pretty, made out of reeds and colour and flowers and stuff. Then you can buy paperweights, perfume, wow, bangles, dog on the floor, try not to stand on the dog. You can get t-shirts showing the pictures, polo shirts, t-shirts, $2.99 for a shirt. Don't know if they have my size. Very, very large. Then you can buy gifts for the monks, etc. Cool, and they're actually building a small replica over there of the Naga, the serpent. There are some food stalls where you can get drinks, a few snacks. Looks like maybe pork skewers, some fruit, space for coaches to park up the end there. And there's a few little temples scattered around, toilets over the back, parking, but I'd say when it's busy, it's packed. But it is set in a gorgeous backdrop with the mountains. And if you look at my older video of Chaeng, you'll see there's in Phuket a black lady. This is supposed to be her when she laid down and died because her boyfriend ran off with another lady. So from a distance, obviously, not up close. Anyway, let's get out of here because again it's hot with the sun. So thanks for joining me. Drop a comment and a like, and also subscribe if you like this sort of material. Hopefully you do. And I'll keep trying to make content that maybe tourists don't see. Most of the tourists head to sort of Bangkok, the temples in Bangkok, Wat Tham Chaeng, etc., Chiang Mai. But these little local ones still are worth visiting. Probably more authentic as well. So, and they're doing a lot. This is going to be a new shrine, whatever you like to call it, with a Naga. If you look, actually building this, so you can see obviously the steel going into the outside, and then it's got like a render over the top, and then the guy will come. Let's get a close up and sort of do the final touches, put the scales on. Obviously this one's going to be leading up to the new temple, but it's still solid. A lot of detail goes into this, a lot of detail. So yeah, look, it's chicken wire, reinforced metal, etc. Pretty incredible. Anyway, right, as I said, let's get out of here. Thanks for joining. Hopefully catch you in the next one. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you would like to see anywhere within my sort of catchment area. I do go quite far, but obviously I need to plan where I can go, fly drones, take videos, etc. So anyway, cheers, all the best, see you soon, bye.